When it comes to woodworking, the right tools can completely change your experience. In this video, we are highlighting 17 amazing new tools from Kreg that will make you a pro craftsman. So let's begin. First, we have the Kreg 20-volt ionic drive oscillating multi-tool, a versatile addition that brings flexibility to any workshop. Variable speed from 7,000 to 17,000 orbits per minute gives control for cutting, scraping, sanding, and more. Trigger-style operation with lock-on button makes extended use comfortable, while vibration-dampening design, metal housing, and premium metal gearing ensure smooth operation, reduced fatigue, and long-lasting reliability. Accepts open and closed-back universal blades and accessories with tool-free blade changes for quick swaps between tasks. Built tough for demanding jobs, this multi-tool complements the Kreg Ionic Drive series, offering precision, power, and versatility for woodworking and DIY projects. This 5-inch random orbit sander makes sanding faster, easier, and precise on any surface. Variable speed from 6,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute gives full control, while 3 30-seconds-inch orbit removes material quickly without sacrificing a smooth finish. Ergonomic grip supports multiple hand positions for comfort during long sessions, and balanced fan with pad seal keeps the sander running steady. Soft start motor and sanding pad brake make startups gentle and prevent unwanted marks. 5-inch hook and loop sanding pad with 8 holes allows quick grit changes, combining power, precision, and comfort for both detailed finishing and larger sanding projects. The Kreg 20-volt ionic drive barrel grip jigsaw combines control, precision, and power for smooth, accurate cuts. Compact ergonomic barrel grip keeps you close to the cut for comfort and control on long or detailed projects. Auto mode speed control starts cut slowly for precision, then ramps up automatically, while variable speed settings and 4 orbital options let you adjust cutting action for any material from soft plywood to hardwood. Tool-free blade changes with lever-action T-shank release make swapping blades fast and easy. Integrated vacuum port and dust blower keep the cut line clear, and dual LED lights improve visibility. Tool-free bevel adjustment goes from 0 to 45 degrees with preset detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Thumb-activated power switch with lockout ensures safe, effortless operation, making this jigsaw versatile and reliable for any woodworking job. Meet the Kreg 20-volt ionic drive pocket hole joiner, which makes pocket hole joinery faster, easier, and precise by combining portability with strong performance. Brushless 20-volt ionic drive motor delivers maximum torque and control, and all-in-one design means no separate drill is needed. One smooth motion creates pocket holes quickly, and integrated dust collection with vacuum attachment keeps the workspace clean. Individual settings for drill bit depth and fence adjustments, along with fast, repeatable setups, handle materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. Narrow rail guide and support feet add stability for smaller pieces, while Grip Max anti-slip material keeps everything steady without clamping. Rugged metal frame and folding handle make it tough enough for job site conditions, yet easy to store and carry anywhere. This Plunge-Cut track saw delivers clean, precise cuts in solid wood and plywood, especially with the 62-inch guide track. 6-speed brushless motor keeps performance steady, while fully shrouded, thin kerf 40-tooth carbide-tipped blade makes cuts smooth and efficient. Safety features include retracting blade guard, riving knife, electronic blade brake, and anti-kickback control, so cutting feels secure. Blade left design for right-hand users improves visibility and control throughout the cut. Cutting depth reaches up to 2 1/8 inches at 90 degrees and 1.5 inches at 45 degrees, with bevel capacity from -1 degree to 47 degrees, giving flexibility for a wide range of precise woodworking projects. Kreg 20-volt ionic drive half-inch compact drill delivers serious power without the bulk. Its 5.9-inch compact design fits tight spaces while staying lightweight and comfortable. Despite its size, it provides 650 inches of torque for efficient drilling and driving. 2-speed gearbox lets you choose 0 to 500 RPMs for torque or 0 to 2000 RPMs for speed, keeping you in control. 20+1 clutch settings prevent overdriving screws, and variable speed trigger ensures smooth, controlled operation. Built-in LED light with 10-second delay helps in low-light areas, while all-metal half-inch chuck and sturdy metal gear housing make it durable and long-lasting, keeping projects moving efficiently. Kreg 20-volt ionic drive half-inch compact drill packs power and precision into a compact 5.9-inch body, making it easy to work in tight spaces. Lightweight and easy to handle, it still delivers 650 inches of torque for strong and efficient drilling and driving. 2-speed gearbox lets you choose 0 to 500 RPMs for torque or 0 to 2000 RPMs for speed, keeping you in control. 20+1 clutch settings prevent overdriving screws, and variable speed trigger gives smooth, controlled operation. Built-in LED light with 10-second delay helps in low-light areas, while all-metal half-inch chuck and sturdy metal gear housing make it durable and long-lasting, keeping projects moving efficiently. For woodworking jobs where precision is key, the Kreg 20-volt ionic drive 1/4-inch trim router puts precision and control in your hands. Cordless design makes it easy to move around the shop or job site, and compact build with rubberized grip keeps it comfortable even on long projects. Rack and pin depth adjustment lets you fine-tune cuts with micro-precision, and dual LEDs and clear base plate give a clear view of your workpiece. Variable speed from 10,000 to 30,000 RPMs matches performance to any material, and soft start motor ramps up gently for better control. Die-cast base and metal motor housing add durability, dust-proof buttons hold up in tough environments, and it accepts bits up to 1 3/8 inches with 1/4 inch and 6 mm collets. Integrated 1 1/4 inch vacuum port keeps dust under control for cleaner, precise work. Looking for a serious saw that blends power, precision, and ease of use? The Kreg 20-volt ionic drive 7 1/4 inch serious saw delivers all that and more. Brushless motor provides strong torque for smooth, clean cuts, while premium SureCut 40-tooth finishing blade gives professional results on plywood, hardwood, and dimensional lumber. AccuCut compatibility adds track saw-like precision when paired with the guide system. Cuts up to 2 7/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 7/8 inches at 45 degrees, with bevel capacity from -1 degree to 47 degrees, giving flexibility for a wide range of precise woodworking projects. Makes cutting fast, precise, and repeatable without messing with measuring or marking. Setup takes just seconds, and edge-guided cuts stay consistent whether working on one piece or many pieces of the same size. Handles rip cuts and cross cuts up to 24 inches wide, giving freedom for small or large projects. Oversized edge guide is fully reversible, so it works comfortably for both left and right-handed users, and it keeps control steady throughout the cut. No marking, measuring, or layout lines needed, which saves time and reduces mistakes. Universal sled works with most circular saws, including left or right side blades, as well as worm drive saws and jigsaws. Black anodized registration bar and built-in precision lens cursor make alignment simple, so every cut comes out exactly right, combining speed, accuracy, and versatility in one handy tool. The Kreg Dowel Jig Kit brings precision and ease to dowel joinery, making it accessible for builders looking to enhance their skills. This versatile tool simplifies the process, turning what once seemed challenging into an exciting chance to create with accuracy and confidence. Perfect for crafting custom furniture, improving cabinetry, or fixing cherished items. This user-friendly kit includes everything you need to achieve strong, flawless joints that enhance the quality of your projects. Tired of wrestling with bulky plywood and oversized panels? The Kreg panel carrier makes it super easy to move full-size sheets all by yourself. Just clamp, lift, and go. No more awkward lifting or worrying about damaging your materials. This clever tool automatically adjusts to panels up to 1/4 inch thick, while its Grip Max pads hold even the most delicate veneers firmly without leaving any dents or marks. Thanks to its padded, ergonomic handle, your hands stay comfortable and strain-free, and the more you lift, the tighter the grip gets, preventing any slips while carrying. Whether you are pulling sheets off the rack, moving them around, or lining them up for cutting, the panel carrier makes the whole process effortless. It's the perfect helper for any do-it-yourselfer or project builder, saving both your back and your materials. For woodworkers who want to create strong, precise joints without the hassle, the Kreg MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig is a must-have tool. It lets you cut mortises for loose tenon joinery using just a regular drill, making the process simple and efficient. The jig supports tenons in 6, 8, and 10 mm thicknesses, giving you plenty of options for different projects. Its auto-indexing step-down system lowers the cutter tip in 1/16 inch steps. Setup is fast and straightforward whether you're working with flat panels or 90-degree joints. And the micro-adjustment screws let you fine-tune the mortise width to get that flawless fit. The built-in mini work surface keeps your piece steady and clamped in place. It can handle workpieces between 1/2 inch and 1.5 inches thick and comes with a tough, carbide-tipped 6 mm mortising cutter built for lasting precision. If you want perfectly precise crosscuts and miters, the Kreg Crosscut Station is about to become your new favorite tool. This handy portable cutting station transforms your circular saw into a powerful miter saw setup, letting you make clean and accurate cuts on boards up to 12 inches wide. With adjustable guide rails that fit just about any saw, you'll get flawless 90-degree cuts every single time. No guessing, no fuss. The Crosscut Station's hold-down clamps keep your board steady, while the Shortcut backboard clearly shows exactly where your blade will land, giving you total confidence with every cut. Need to handle longer boards? No problem. The extendable support wings make it easy. Plus, it's compact, lightweight, and made with impact-resistant materials for long-lasting use. Whether you're a do-it-yourself enthusiast or a serious woodworker, the Kreg Crosscut Station truly changes the game. The Kreg Dust Separator is a game-changer for anyone wanting to boost dust collection performance, protect their vacuum, and make the filter last up to 10 times longer. It captures up to 99.9% of dust and debris before they ever reach your vacuum, which means fewer clogs, stronger suction, and a cleaner workspace overall. The swivel top connection helps prevent tipping, keeping things steady even when you're tackling tough jobs. Plus, the Filter Max fins catch even the tiniest dust particles, improving suction and performance even more. The simple hose cuffs make connecting and securing hoses quick and easy, cutting down setup time and hassle. Thanks to the clear top, you can actually see the cyclonic airflow as it works and check how full the bucket is without stopping. It also fits most standard 5-gallon buckets, so it easily blends into just about any workshop setup. When you need adjustable shelves, the Kreg Shelf Pin Jig makes it easy to create perfectly aligned shelf pin holes. Its sturdy steel guides keep every hole evenly spaced and straight, so there's no more guessing or ending up with crooked holes. You can use it with a regular hand drill, and the built-in stop collar keeps you from drilling too deep, protecting your workpiece from damage. The movable fence aligns the jig with the edge of your shelf, making setup quick and cutting down on measurement errors. Whether you're building a brand new piece of furniture or giving an old one an upgrade, this jig ensures consistent, professional-looking results every time. It's the perfect solution for anyone who wants to add custom shelving to their projects without the hassle. Looking for a tool that makes cabinet assembly quicker and more accurate? The Kreg Cabinet Face Frame Clamp is made exactly for that. It comes with 2 face frame clamps that help line things up perfectly, giving you a faster, one-step face frame installation that keeps your cabinets square and right where they should be. Built with high-quality, all-aluminum construction, these clamps are tough yet lightweight, and the thick protective pads make sure your surfaces stay scratch-free. The hardened drill guide with a built-in pilot hole makes screw placement super precise, cutting down on mistakes and saving time. These clamps fit styles from 1.5 inches to 2 inches and can open anywhere between 2 and 7/44 inches to 4 and 43/32 inches, so they're great for lots of different cabinet projects. And there you have it, the full list of 17 new Kreg tools that are already available in the market. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to catch more videos like this in your feed.